Before I start with arguments, let's do one more example with return types. So because we did a method that returns a double, you probably understand how you would do it if you wanted to return an integer. But then what if you wanted to return a string, right? So now we know void, we now double, and then double and ints work similarly. So then we could do, what if our function returns a string, right? And then it has lyrics. Let's say it returns lyrics, right? And it's just lyrics to the national anthem, right? You can do this. Those are just the lyrics, and then you return the anthem. So now if we needed to use the string of the national anthem in our main program, all we had to do is, because here we said string, it means when we call the function or when we call the method, we must assign it to a variable. Then we can say the string is called national anthem, right? Is equals to, we call the lyrics method, and you don't have to pass anything. Then now we can console dot write line the national anthem, and this should display the lyrics to the national anthem. So now we can run the code and see if it does what we said it should. There we go. So Nkosi Sikelele Africa. So what this does is, once you see a string here, it means you have to call the method using a variable that is a string. So you need to assign whatever is being returned from the method to a variable, and the type of the variable is a string. And how we know it should be a string, because here we know the return type is a string. And also, if you say this is a string, whatever you return here will also have to be a string. So you cannot return a number here. And if you said this was an int, then you can't return a string. Then you're gonna get an error. So yeah, now this is a string and it returns a string, therefore this is going to run. Oh, now it doesn't because I didn't save. .run, and the program works. So that's it for return type.